This technical video, I'm going to talk you through the process of how you would disengage the windlass and use the rope capstan. It's quite a simple process once you understand how, but I think some people perhaps don't understand how to use it. So just coming down, firstly for the 1370, I mean, why would you want to use the rope capstan? So you've got, firstly, if you're deploying or retrieving a secondary anchor that's on a warp, that's one option. You could also be trying to bring yourself in on a mooring line perhaps. And then also on the 1370, if you wanted to, you can actually run your screecher halyard down to the mooring cleat, off a block, and onto the capstan if you needed to. Probably not so common, but it's an option. Okay, so just talking it through, normally, in normal use, when you're using the up-down function on the windlass, you'll see the capstan rotates as well as the chain windlass. So what we're going to do is we're going to disengage the chain component of the windlass. So we'll start off by taking our chain hook here, and we'll secure the anchor chain. We're then going to take our windlass winch handle. It's a standard winch handle. Disengaging the clutch on the top. Yeah, so that's now free. So that's now in a position where you can see here, the lower section is disengaged, the clutch is disengaged. So if I take out we're not powered up here, but if I press the up or down button, you'll see the capstan will rotate because the rope capstan has no clutch, whereas the windlass component, the chain component, is disengaged. So that will freewheel and it won't pull on the chain, hence we need to secure it. So you then can take your line, and you'll notice here we've got a stainless plate, just a bit of a deflector plate to protect the gel coat, I suppose, a bit like a fair lead. You can then set up your capstan, run your up down, pull in your line, whatever it is you need to do, secure it perhaps on the cleat, back off again, and then you would then simply, to set it up again, simply just put your clutch, do it by hand. Okay, so I'm now engaged the clutch so that when I press the up or down, both components will be rotating, and I simply take my chain hook off, and I'm back to normal use.